belong Bible emi pas Santo Paul writing igolong kol man Mary belong Chrome chapter 3 verse 28 emi to korsem. Longpanem now Yumi save olsem Yumi come up straight pala long I belong God long rod belong Bilip tasol. Naino long rod belong bihainim lo. Now itok looking Bible itok clear man Mary must believe tasol emi inap. Man Mary believe tasol only by go long heaven. Tasol igat some pala heavy long this pala kind talk. Long panem suppose you look long this pala have long Bible long talk ples Greek. Santo Paul writing long talk ples Greek. Ba imi kirap no go true long panem long talk ples Greek no gat this pala talk tasol. No gat talk believe tasol. No gat. Talk Greek ito kosem man Mary must believe long Jesus. Na bihai long ya 1500 something long Germany wanpela man Martin Luther emi put him talk tasol nothing inside long Bible. Now long plant Bible only got talk believe tasol emi inap. Bit again talk nothing belong man tasol. No got one pala habalong Bible you can check him all get a habalong Bible where Bible he talk believe tasol emi inap. Believe one pala tasol by kissim you go long heaven. Kain to kosem talk belong man tasol ina talk belong God. No me like makim some pala habalong Bible belong show him or sem got him got nara kind thing. Got him got nara pala like by man Mary I mas bihainim. Pasta mi look long one pala pas Santo Paul you write him long Ephesus chapter 2 verse 10 emito korsem. Long Christ Jesus God I make him Yumi come up all new pala man Mary. Belong Yumi can wokabaut long road belong gutpela fashion. Before yet God I read him finish belong Yumi can wokabaut long en. God I like by all man Mary Bilip long en. Only must wokabaut long gutpela fashion. Fashion I mean something true long like belong Yumi. You can look more yet long this pala kind talk and stop long number 2 pass Santo Paul writing go long Corinth chapter 5 verse 10. Emito kosem. Yumi save Yumi olgata I must come up long coat belong Christ. Now suppose you may be make him good pala fashion long time you may stop long body, or suppose you may be making fashion no good. You may all get a one by kissing pe inap long fashion you may be making. God by scaling fashion belong you me. Meeting long book belong Revelation you may can find him one kind talk is stop. And my book belong Revelation chapter 20 verse 13. You can read him to korsem. Solwara ilare molgata man I die finish na oli stop long ken oli go. Na die one time place belong all man I die finish tu pala tu. Ilare molgata man I die finish na stop long han belong tu pala oli go. Naman isindaw long siya king, and me looking fashion all gata one money bin make him. Na me scale him all long coat belong ken. Talk again. King Jesus and by scale him fashion belong all man Mary. Me think long makim sampala habolong Bible yet you can open number 1 pass Santo Peter I write chapter 1 verse 17. Santo Peter I write by source You pala sabi sing out long got na call him papa. This pala papa mi no sabe think long name bilong Yumi, name is kalim Yumi nogat. Emi sabe look him fashion bilong 1-1, I make him na emis kalim Yumi. God, by no talk, oh, you Christian, you believe long me inap. No God. God by kalim fashion bilong Yumi 1-1. Jesus yet I make him wanpela strong pala tok long all man Mary I masanap long kot. Emi stop long Evangelio Matthew I write in chapter 25 verse 31 and going up long 46. Jesus he talk, who's that man Mary make him good pala fashion. Help him all man I hungry, or he die long quara, or give him lap, or look out him all sick man Mary, or look him all calabus man Mary, or look out him man Mary bilong kare pala ples. This pala kind man Mary all by win him rote go long heaven. No got one pala hap where talk Jesus he make him more sim. No got one pala hap where Jesus he talk, who's that man Mary Bilip tasol long me, come long heaven no place belong me. No got a custom. Man Mary I full up long fashion belong like him pala. Making good long kare pala kind man, kind Mary true, only by winning road to go long heaven. We talk again in Christ, King, and by scaling fashion belong call man Mary. We think I good pala suppose you can look long one pala pass belong James. And we write him some pala talk clear through long this pala kind talk. Now we make him. Suppose you may open pass James write him chapter 2 verse 20, not 24, not 26. But you may clear through long talk belong God. Verse 20. James it occurs him. You cranky man. Suppose you believe tasol. Now you na make him good pala fashion too. Alright, belief belong to you is something nothing. You na make him good pala fashion, you believe tasol, you cranky man. Talk belong James, I clear. Verse 24. Alright now you pala save, long believe nothing tasol, gotino save call him emistret pala man nogat. Emi think long money make him good pala fashion. Now long this pala as, emi call him straight pala man. Again. Man I wokabaut on good pala fashion. God by call him straight pala man. Ino long believe tasol, nogat. Verse 26. Yumi save, body ino gat spirit istap long ken, emi die finish. Awesome tasol, suppose man I believe nothing, na belief belong kan ino come up in good pala fashion too, alright, belief belong this pala man, emi awesome I die finish. No God need long believe nothing. Believe nothing in no inap long help him man. God by look long man, Mary, I make him good pala fashion, na good pala fashion by help him all long when you wrote to go long heaven. Awesome. You may all get a man Mary, you must believe long Christ. You must believe long Christ. No, you must work about on good pala fashion. Give him backside long sin. Now make him good pala fashion. Plant a good pala fashion. Long pan him long day belong caught. God by his him fashion belong Yumi.